Class, weekend. Yes, they already told me that. You want me to assign to Mark?
Playing ball, reading, playing hide and seek, drawing, dance. You have mentioned that, but what would you like to do best? Hi Mark, good afternoon. Oh, you seem ready for something. Good. But I don't hear anything except for the voice of your companion here. What's your noisy? As what I hear, that the voice of God will speak in our heart and to our ears. Okay.